Hi folks, it's Switchback. I wanted to go over how to inflate the Therm-a-Rest Neoair Xlite sleeping pad. So it comes nice, small, compact little stuff sack here, and I do keep it in the stuff sack when I'm out on the trail. It also comes with a patch kit, which I carry on the trail, and an inflation sack. So I always store it with the valves open. So there's a twist valve here, and then there's a release valve right here. So when it's against the way that the plastic is here, then that means it can deflate. If it's in line with the plastic, it will not deflate. So the valve, right now it is in deflate mode. So this screw is open right there, closed like that, open like that. This valve is to allow it to empty, deflate, and then now it's set to inflate, so it will not let the air out as I inflate it. So you'll want to have the valve open when you want to go to inflate it. So you'll see this little hole here will actually snap on. And then just use the pump sack like so. So as it gets close to inflation, the sound will change a little bit. Test it out. Go ahead and pop off the inflation sack, close the valve, ready to roll. Okay, so now I'm going to deflate the NeoAir Xlite here. So first I roll it up and push all the air out. So I do that because I found that it's easier to keep the air out, or to push the air out that way, than to do it once I've folded it, and then trying to keep it folded is just a nightmare. Then I fold it in thirds, about where the manufacturer did. And I like to put something kind of heavy on the other end of it so that it doesn't unroll or unravel as I'm trying to roll it up. In this case, I'm using my bear spray. And then from here, I'm just gonna roll it on it. And again, I store it with the valves open. Put it in its original stuff sack. Voila. So I like to do that inside of my tent because this is going to protect that air mattress a lot better than anything outside is going to.